Unplug all cables connected to the printer. Lift the scanner unit. Next, push the Printhead lock tab located here. Move the printhead to the right, then gently pull it to the left. Remove the screws from the carriage cover. Then take off the carriage cover. Press the ink damper locks on both the left and right sides. Carefully lift the ink dampers. Gently pry open the flex cable cover. Slowly disconnect the printhead flex cables. Remove the 3 screws that secure the printhead, then lift the printhead out. Prepare the new printhead. Before installing, clean the flex cable contacts to prevent any short circuit. Carefully connect the flex cables to the new printhead. Make sure they are aligned properly and inserted straight. Place the printhead back into the carriage. Secure it with the 3 screws. Reinstall the ink dampers onto the carriage. Press them down firmly until they lock into place. Neatly arrange the 4 ink tubes. Reattach the flex cable cover. Install the carriage cover back in place. Then tighten the screws. Turn on the printer. Perform head cleaning a few times to allow ink to flow into the new printhead. To start head cleaning, press and hold the stop button for about 5 seconds, then release it. The printer will make some noise and the power light will start blinking, indicating that the cleaning process is in progress. Wait until the power light stops blinking. This means the head cleaning process is complete. Turn off the printer. Now perform a nozzle check without using a computer. Make sure the printer is completely turned off. Then press and hold the stop button, and while holding it, press the power button. Hold both buttons for about 5 seconds, then release them at the same time. Don't worry if the power light starts blinking. The printer is working in the background. Wait until the printer prints the nozzle check sheet. Alright, here it is. This is called a nozzle check sheet. If needed, repeat the head cleaning process a few times to improve print quality. Thank you for watching. Happy printing.